What if everything you thought you knew about money was wrong? Why is it that the more we earn, the more we struggle financially? Schools prepare us to earn, but rarely teach us how to manage, save, or grow wealth. And yet, these missing lessons can make all the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and achieving financial independence. But before we dive into this exciting story, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on stories like this. Now, let's unravel the mystery of escaping the rat race and finally breaking free from financial strain. Americans and debt, a growing crisis. Could your credit card be the silent anchor dragging you down? America's love affair with debt is spiraling out of control. With over $1 trillion in credit card debt alone, it's clear that overspending isn't just a personal problem, it's a societal epidemic. Student loans, mortgages, and auto loans only add to the financial burden, leaving many unable to save or invest. The issue? Schools don't teach us how to handle debt responsibly. Instead, young adults enter the workforce with little understanding of interest rates, minimum payments, and compound debt growth. It's no wonder so many feel financially underwater before they even begin. Understanding money. Beyond the basics. Do you really know how money works? Or are you just a passive participant in the economy? Money is often simplified as a medium of exchange, but it's so much more than that. It's a tool that can create opportunities, offer freedom, and ensure security, but only if understood correctly. Schools focus on earning money through employment, but rarely delve into how to multiply wealth through investments, real estate, or entrepreneurship. The gap between basic financial knowledge and real-world application creates a cycle where most people work for money instead of making money work for them. The relationship between consumption and production. What happens when we prioritize spending over creating? We live in a culture that glorifies consumption. From flashy cars to the latest tech gadgets, society encourages spending as a measure of success. But the truth is, financial stability comes from production, not consumption. Producers, whether they are entrepreneurs, investors, or creators, drive the economy and generate wealth. Consumers, on the other hand, often fall prey to instant gratification, sacrificing long-term financial health for short-term pleasures. Breaking this cycle requires a fundamental shift in mindset, valuing creation over consumption. The money trap. Living on the financial edge. Is your paycheck merely a lifeline, or can it become your stepping stone to freedom? Many people find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, even with a substantial income. While it might seem that having a good job should guarantee financial stability, the reality is that poor financial habits are often the root cause of financial insecurity. Even six-figure salaries can quickly evaporate without a proper plan for savings, investments, and budgeting. Living paycheck to paycheck is more than just a symptom of low income. It's often the result of high living expenses and a lack of understanding about how to manage money effectively. Delayed gratification, saving for the future, and building wealth through investments are all concepts that are seldom taught in schools but are essential for financial freedom. The cognitive biases behind financial decisions. Why do we often make irrational financial decisions even when we know better? Cognitive biases play a significant role in how we approach money. These biases are mental shortcuts that help us navigate the world, but they can also lead us astray, especially when it comes to finances. One common bias is loss aversion, which refers to the tendency to fear losses more than valuing gains. This can make people hesitant to invest, even when they know that investing in the stock market, for example, is statistically a good decision in the long run. Present bias, which prioritizes immediate rewards over future benefits, is another bias that often leads to poor financial decisions. People may opt to spend their money on a short-term indulgence instead of saving for a long-term goal. Budgeting, the key to financial awareness. How can a simple plan turn your financial chaos into clarity? Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. However, many people avoid budgeting because they see it as restrictive or tedious. In reality, budgeting is an empowering tool that provides clarity and control over your finances. It's not about restricting your spending, but about making your money work for you. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to allocate resources more effectively. It can help prioritize savings, reduce unnecessary spending, and ensure that you are on track to meet your financial goals. With the help of modern apps and tools, budgeting has become easier than ever. These tools can automate processes, track your spending, and provide insights into your financial habits. Emergency funds, a necessary safety net. Are you prepared for life's unexpected financial storms? No one can predict the future, and life often throws unexpected challenges our way. An emergency fund acts as a safety net during these times of uncertainty, providing a buffer against financial setbacks. Whether it's a medical emergency, job loss, or car repair, having an emergency fund can mean the difference between weathering the storm and falling into debt. The importance of an emergency fund cannot be overstated. It gives you the financial freedom to face unexpected situations without going into debt or depleting your savings. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Building this fund requires discipline and consistency, but the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. Production, the core of financial growth. What separates the financially free from the perpetually struggling? Production is the foundation of wealth creation. Whether it's developing a skill, creating a product, or offering a service, producing something valuable is the key to financial success. Instead of focusing solely on earning through employment, consider ways to generate passive income. This could mean investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, or even creating digital content. The more you produce, the less you rely on traditional employment for financial security. True financial freedom comes from creating more than just a paycheck. The more assets you accumulate, the more opportunities you create for future financial growth, allowing you to scale your wealth without working 9 to 5. Entrepreneurship and large-scale value creation. Could your big idea be the ticket to escaping the rat race? Entrepreneurship isn't just about starting a business, it's about creating value at scale. Successful entrepreneurs solve problems, meet needs, and deliver value, often generating significant wealth in the process. Schools rarely teach entrepreneurship, leaving many to figure it out through trial and error. But with resources like online courses, mentorship programs, and networking events, aspiring entrepreneurs can gain the skills and knowledge needed to succeed. Entrepreneurship allows you to build something that can grow beyond your own efforts. Through scalability and innovation, entrepreneurs can turn a small idea into a global brand, creating wealth while solving real-world problems. The role of the internet in financial production. How has the digital age democratized wealth creation? The internet has leveled the playing field, offering countless opportunities for financial growth. From e-commerce and freelancing to blogging and online courses, the digital world provides platforms for anyone to produce and profit. Leveraging these opportunities requires creativity, effort, and consistency. But for those willing to invest in themselves, the internet can turn a side hustle into a full-time income stream. The importance of financial education. Why is the most crucial subject missing from our classrooms? Financial education is the missing link in our schooling system. Teaching concepts like budgeting, investing, and compound interest from an early age can transform lives. Countries that prioritize financial literacy often see lower debt levels and higher savings rates. Incorporating these lessons into school curriculums isn't just beneficial, it's essential for empowering the next generation to escape the rat race. Combining personal finance with entrepreneurship. What happens when you master both sides of the financial equation? Mastering personal finance is only half the battle. Combining it with entrepreneurial skills creates a powerful synergy, enabling individuals to build, manage, and grow their wealth. For instance, understanding cash flow management helps entrepreneurs reinvest profits effectively. Similarly, budgeting and saving skills allow individuals to fund their business ventures without falling into debt. Together, these skills form the foundation for long-term financial success. Recommended resources for financial growth. Where can you turn to start your financial transformation today? Countless resources are available for those looking to improve their financial literacy and entrepreneurial skills. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham offer timeless advice. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare provide affordable courses on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Podcasts and YouTube channels also serve as accessible tools for learning on the go. By leveraging these resources, anyone can begin their journey toward financial independence and escape the rat race. The path to financial awareness and freedom. The journey to financial awareness and freedom begins with a conscious decision to break free from the constraints of the rat race. Achieving financial independence isn't solely about working harder, it's about working smarter. It starts with a mindset shift, understanding the principles of money and recognizing its role as a tool, not a goal. Prioritizing productive efforts, such as creating value and building multiple income streams, is key. Equally important is investing in personal growth, learning financial literacy, and developing disciplined habits. If you found value in this discussion, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us continue sharing transformative stories and empowering insights. Stay tuned for more content designed to inspire growth, success, and freedom. Together, let's build a path toward a financially secure and fulfilling future. Thank you for watching.